Everybody, it's me, Matty D, A1 Solutions Group. Here's today in this video. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, so I'm gonna ask this question. Here's something I'm gonna say to you. Okay. So, should you do credit repair yourself? Well, you can. If you're a do-it-yourself person, then I say go for it. Because in the industry that is credit repair, unfortunately, doesn't have the best reputation. A lot of people have been scammed, wasted money, got no results. So some people think I can do it myself. And you can. It's your right. You can dispute anything. You have the right by the FTC, Federal Trade Commission, to dispute anything and everything on your credit report, whether it's inaccurate, erroneous, false, or even true, you can dispute it. Here's the thing: if you do, going after your own credit to fix it yourself is the same thing or the equivalent of trying to represent yourself in court. I have a question for you. How comfortable would you be if you had to represent yourself in court against the plaintiff? You're defending yourself. Do you know all the laws that you can use to get yourself off the case, or if not, to minimize if you're going to prison or whatever the case may be? Because without an attorney who knows the law inside and out and knows how to spin it to get the judge to rule or jury in your favor, you're on your own. And learning that stuff takes time and energy. You have to know it. If you don't, you're setting yourself up for a huge disappointment. It works the same thing with credit repair. There are laws, I'm not kidding you, there are laws that you have to know, okay, and quote from the Fair Credit Reporting Act and the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, okay? I may butcher the name, but my point is on both of those acts, you have to know them, and you gotta read them, okay? Most people won't, and you have to quote them properly. If you do the wrong thing and misquote, you run the risk, here's the gamble, you run the risk of, messing your credit up even more and also making it harder to repair. So if you want to do it yourself, other people who've done it themselves and done it successfully, sure. Just like there are people who've gone to court, represented themselves in court, all right, and won. But how many times have you heard someone tell you, yeah, I went to court, did it myself, I got scot-free, and they didn't talk to an attorney? And how many people you know who have fixed credit themselves and done things successfully? Very few on both parts. So it helps to have somebody do this for you who has a proven track record and knows what they're doing. It's like having an attorney. They're worth the money because they need you to win so they can keep you in more business, how they work. Well, same thing with a reputable credit repair company. We know what we're doing, been around for 10 years, worked with a lot of companies like Exit Realty, Century 21, Compass West Realty, Mortgage Experts, Academy Mortgage, Fidelity Direct Mortgage, been on local news, Fox 5 News, spoken at Direct University, so we have a good reputation and we work very hard to maintain that. So, again, could you credit repair yourself? Yes, but unless you're going to learn the law, you're taking shots in the dark or trying to shoot darts blindfolded. On top of that, one last thing is that when you do it yourself, you have to stay on top of this, because when you send disputes to the credit bureaus through the mail, you have to wait for the sucker to come back, look at it, and then you have to know other strategies of how to combat what they say. Again, do you know the law? Do you know what to ask? Do you know how debt collectors work? Because you don't know how debt collectors work, you won't know how to dispute that stuff with them either, or getting a judgment off, or bankruptcy. Like, their strategies. Again, you got to know the law. If you don't know that, you're just taking shots, and it takes time and effort. It's not easy. You do on top of everything else you have to do in your life, to do this yourself, it takes time and effort. It's not easy. Yeah, things in life are free, and it's fine, but if it's free, it does come to cost your time and energy. Paying someone to do what they're doing saves you time and energy. Okay, so if you want to have to maintain, especially if you have a lot of stuff in credit report, yeah, you're going to be doing it for a while. Not only that, if you choose to do it online, is it more convenient? Sure, but here's the thing. If you do it online and it comes back verified, you cannot dispute it again. I'll say it one more time. If you dispute it online, and it says this in small fine print, again, they don't make it real obvious. If you dispute it online and it comes back verified, you can't dispute the item again online. You got to do it through snail mail. So, choice is yours. Do it yourself. You have to do some homework and research these things, especially with all that's going on right now in the world, or give it someone who can help you out. So, if you choose to go out of hiring us, reach out to me, 877-250-7170, extension 2. Again, 877-250-7170, extension 2. See you next video, and I look forward to working with you soon. Peace.